What is a guaranteed safety ROI? Let's say you have a 100 vehicle fleet and a 10% accident rate, which is better than the industry average. At a typical cost of $15,000 per accident, you could be spending $150,000 per year. When you factor in lost revenue from downtime at an average of $1,000 per day and 5 days per accident, that's another $50,000 against your bottom line. Add insurance premiums and maintenance, and you're looking at another $300,000 to run your fleet. What if there was a guaranteed way to trim these costs with a proven payback in 12 months or less? Well, there is. IntelliShift AI Dash Cams deliver safety outcomes you can take to the bank. Our customers experience a 9 times reduction in safety events like distracted driving, harsh braking, harsh turning, and speeding. The results? Dramatically less accidents because of better driving behavior, real-time alerts, and in-cab coaching. Our dual-facing dash cams and proactive in-cab driver coaching delivers a 50% reduction in accidents and related downtime, a 7% savings in insurance premiums, a 5% savings in maintenance. That's a 293% ROI. And that doesn't include big picture savings, like exonerating innocent drivers from false claims, avoiding legal fees, property damage, injuries, workers' comp, and protecting your brand. Now that's how IntelliShift AI Dash Cams pay.